The fourth step is customer engagement. We've talked about this briefly, but doing cross-channel promotions, being able to offer a loyalty program that works in store and online, being able to offer a promotion that they can redeem in store and online, and finally giving them content that is personalized based on the segmentation. So if I'm a father of two versus no kids, I'd like to see some interesting data given to me, some interesting ads sent to me. This way, again, we're talking about building that engagement. And finally, the fifth step is getting flexibility with business models. This, I think, is something that a lot of retailers tend to forget in their day to day operations. Being able to expand and scale based on what the customer demands is a really good way to expand into that omnichannel space. So, what does that look like? Maybe you want to centralize all of your inventory in one place and fulfill from one place. Maybe B2C versus D2C could be something that you could look at. So having an open mind, this is more just to have that idea that having an open mind in terms of your channels should not be limiting. They should be open. You should be able to scale up and down as you need. So we've talked about the 5 steps to becoming omnichannel. Is that it? Is that all that has to happen? Actually, I want to give you 4 more steps, and this is to execute that 5 steps that we talked about. And what I mean to say by this here is we've talked about the tech system, we've talked about the 4 other ideas, but does that mean that you become omnichannel? Actually, it is more a recursive, iterative process. You start with the tech foundations, you bring in the other principles, and you start testing. You start to collect data. You start to fix what is not working. You retest, and you fix those little nuances and make those little tweaks, and then you apply again, test again, collect again, and retest again. So I want to leave you with this idea that omnichannel isn't a one-stop set and forget kind of thing. This is an ongoing conversation. It's an ongoing journey, and it's something that you will have to live with for a very long time.